Is Trustology Wallet safe? Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Trustology and other relevant products are in the description. Trustology is a high-security custodial crypto wallet designed for institutional and high-net-worth investors. Unlike typical software wallets, Trustology focuses on enterprise-grade security with features like multi-signature authorization, hardware isolation, and real-time transaction monitoring. It supports a wide range of digital assets, including Ethereum-based tokens, and integrates with DeFi protocols while maintaining strict regulatory compliance. One of its biggest strengths is its security model. Trustology uses a combination of biometrics, multi-factor authentication, and advanced encryption to protect funds. Private keys are not stored on users' devices but within a secure infrastructure with bank-grade protection. Additionally, the wallet offers instant transaction signing, reducing the risk of exposure while maintaining full control. For institutions, Trustology provides customizable access controls, allowing businesses to define transaction policies, set spending limits, and require multiple approvals for withdrawals. This makes it ideal for funds, exchanges, and enterprises looking for a secure yet flexible custody solution. However, there are some drawbacks. Since it is a custodial wallet, users must trust Trustology to safeguard their assets. While they implement top-tier security, the reliance on a third party may not appeal to those who prefer full self-custody. Also, compared to non-custodial wallets, Trustology may have higher fees, especially for enterprise services. Overall, Trustology is a strong choice for institutions and large investors needing a secure, regulatory-compliant custody solution. If you prioritize security and need advanced transaction controls, it's worth considering. Check out the links in the description for more details.